It's an honor to join my Crimean Tatar people in standing up together on the 70th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Crimean Tatars, as indigenous people of Crimea, Ukraine, can look to the Human Rights Declaration as it defines what role human rights should play in the protection of Crimean Tatar rights on the international platform. Given the universal acceptance of human rights, it obliges everyone to treat issues within UN Human Rights Universal Mandate. This is crucially important factor of support for Crimean Tatars, especially during the occupation of Crimea, Ukraine. I would like to now read the first article of the Human Rights Declaration in indigenous Crimean Tatar language. Şimdi Kırım Tatar dilinde insan hakların 1. madde söz etmek gayret edeceğim. Cema insanlar öz hak hukukları ve namuslarından serbest ve musavi doğarlar. Onlar akıl ve insafla temin edilgen ve birbirlerine kardeşlik münasebetlerini göstermeye mecburdur. Sağ ol. Thank you.